guys, I just saw you here, or horror hunter here. I have my Texas Chainsaw Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3 costume. I have so much hair, man. So here's my Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3 costume. Got this tie from a thrift store. Shirt from a thrift store. Pants, just normal black pants. Sweatpants. My Saw's Always Family. The mask for Trick or Treat Studios, sponsored by Rick Derby. Thank you. Special thanks to Dale, thank you. I can't move that fast because Leatherface has a leg brace and I don't have one. But hey. So thank you guys. My costume montage coming probably later today. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Have a great day and great night. Thank you.